Hi parents and first graders. I wanted to show you how to log into ClassDojo every day using your computer. Parents, if you have ClassDojo on your device already, that is through a parent portal, but today I want to show how your kid is going to log into ClassDojo using the student portal. So here's the steps that I've kind of laid out. We're going to press the student, use the QR code, click your name, and do all the tasks that are required. Right now, I would suggest you take a picture of this QR code on your phone so that we can use it later with our webcam. Alright, so I'm going to go to Google Chrome, and in the address bar, I'm just going to type in ClassDojo. It's going to take you to this page, and because your child is logging in every day, they're a student, so click on the backpack icon. We're going to scan our QR code. It's going to come here, and then the QR code went through. I'm going to scroll down and look for my name. Miss you. And it has everything on this page that I need to do. If you accidentally clicked on someone else's name and you need to go back, you can go to this button that says switch student with this door and an arrow, and I'll take you back to everyone's name. So I'm going to click on my name again. And here where it says ToDo is where I'm going to post the link for our Google Slides every day. So make sure, and our assignments, so make sure you do those first. Not first, but make sure you always check in and see if there's anything to do. And then on the stories is where I'm going to put the link of our video chat so that we can click on it and then talk to each other every morning. So here in our ToDo, I would like your first grader to try this, to take a picture of you. You know it's a picture because of the icon. I'm going to press start. And then it's going to come like this. I'm going to take a picture. And then here in the blue button, it says hand in. So I'm going to hand it in. And then you're done, which is great. Parents, to make this a little bit easier and not have to log in every single time, I would go press this star to bookmark this page. So I'm going to click on this blue on the star so it turns blue, and the name, I'm just going to write that it's ClassDojo. And for the folder, I'm going to make sure that it says bookmarks bar. So once I make sure that it says bookmarks bar, I'm going to press done. And then you might have to help your child maneuver through different tabs and go back and forth. But if I open a new tab, automatically it has my ClassDojo link there, and I'm just going to press that. And it will go straight to my page so that we don't have to log in with the QR code every morning. Alright, so that's it for now. Let me know if you have any questions.